Welcome to this coding interview tutorial. Today, we are going to solve a classic binary tree problem, finding if a path exists from the root to a leaf that adds up to a specific target sum. This is a very common question in technical interviews. Before we dive in, let's quickly review the structure we are working with. A binary tree is a hierarchical data structure starting from a root node. Each node can have at most two children, a left child and a right child. The nodes at the very bottom that have no children are called leaf nodes. The problem asks for a root-to-leaf path. This means we must start at the very top root node and travel downwards continuously until we hit a leaf node. We cannot stop in the middle of the tree. The path is only valid if it ends at a node with no children. So, here is our input. We are given the root of a binary tree and an integer called the target sum. Our goal is to determine if there is any path from the root down to a leaf where the sum of all node values equals this target. We simply need to return true if such a path exists or false otherwise. Let's look at an example. Suppose our target sum is 22. If we trace the path 5, then 4, then 11, then 2, the sum is 5 plus 4 plus 11 plus 2, which equals 22. Since node 2 is a leaf, this is a valid path, so we return true. The best way to solve this is using recursion. Instead of keeping a running total, we can subtract the current node's value from the target sum as we go down. By the time we reach a leaf, if the remaining target sum equals 0, we have found our path. Here is the algorithm. First, we check if the current node is null. If so, return false. Next, we update the target sum by subtracting the current node's value. Then, we check if we are at a leaf. If we are at a leaf and the remaining sum is 0, we return true. Finally, if we are not at a leaf, we recursively call the function for the left and right children. Always consider edge cases. First, an empty tree should return false. Second, trees can have negative values, so the sum might go up and down. Don't stop early just because the sum exceeds the target. Third, ensure you actually check for leaf nodes, not just any node where the sum matches. For time complexity, in the worst case, we might visit every node, so it is big O of n for space complexity. It is big O of h, where h is the height of the tree due to the recursion stack memory. To summarize, we are looking for a complete path from root to leaf. Recursion simplifies the logic significantly. By subtracting values as we descend, we avoid carrying extra state. And remember, the path must terminate at a leaf node to be valid.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.